So even though I've worked with children since I've been a child, one of the things that really struck me was how this was a public health crisis that we don't pay attention to, abuse.
Wow.
And the impact that it has on substance abuse, mental health, people that have interpersonal partner violence, etc. And so I said I have to do something about it. And in my school, I talked to my students about body safety, body agency. But what really pushed me and really finally made me say I need to do this was working in the correctional system and seeing how many people had gone through some type of abuse and the impact that it had on other family members, children. And so I'm a survivor myself, and it just really struck me. And I said, we have to do something about it. So I went about writing the book. It did not take me that long to write the book. And I wrote it in April of 2020, and then got it published in April of 2020. And then I wanted to have something like a supplement to it to kind of reinforce it, something that would be fun because it is a heavy topic.
It is, yeah.
And so in October of 2020, that's when I published the coloring activity book. And inside,
That's this one right here.
right. Okay. And one of the things that I enjoyed as a child was the memory game cards, where you would flip the cards over and you would have to remember where the cards were positioned. So they're also memory game cards to just reinforce the concept inside the book. But in terms of myself, I am a mother of 2 adult children. I've been a social worker since 1996, and I've worked in a pretty diverse populations with corrections in the school system, for managed care doing crisis line, and also in ER doing psych and medical social work. So and I have a private practice where I go out and I handle crises, bank robberies, people that have died, and I work with the organizations to help support the employees based on that. So that's my background.